Hey everyone, Chef Leroy here and welcome to the channel. Well, today I'm going to make a saffron rice. I'm using basmati rice. I'm going to pressure cook it. So let me show you what to do here. Okay, so I got a few things staged already. So I'll just tell you what you need for the ingredients. I've got basmati rice here, 2 cups. In here I've got chicken stock, which is right here. I got it at Costco. And I've got my saffron threads already in here. Now the threads are extremely difficult to measure. They're so light, you really, trying to use like a teaspoon or anything else, it's almost impossible to do that. So you basically count your threads. So in this, I've got about 10 threads roughly. They do break down a little bit, so it's kind of hard to count it exactly. About 10 threads in here. I'm going to microwave this for 3 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna set this aside for the moment. All right, vegetables. In here, I've already pre-cut these. So I've got carrots, which you can see there's small diced of yellow onion. This is a small yellow onion. I use the whole thing. And in the bottom, you can't see it, I've got a half of a red bell pepper that I also diced all about the same size. Next thing you're going to need is you will need some garlic. Okay, so I've got my cloves of garlic right here. Unfortunately, the only kind I could find were these really small cloves of garlic, which is fine, but you just have to use a little bit more. So 4 of these small cloves, which would be equivalent to a large clove of garlic. You can adjust the garlic level. It's going to be your recipe, so you do what you want. So that's that, okay? I'm going to just leave this garlic on my board while I get my pressure cooker set up, okay? So you're going to use 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm going to add that to the pressure cooker. So let me move a couple more things out of the way so we can show you what that looks like here, okay? Pressure cooker right here. Going to go ahead and add my 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm going to use olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like. There we go. Okay. So you don't need a lot with this recipe, but you will need a spoon. So let's grab that. Use my handy dandy wooden spoon. All right. So we're going to go ahead and add the vegetables to the pressure cooker, just like that. Okay. Go ahead and add that garlic to your vegetables. 2 other ingredients I have not said anything about yet is salt and pepper. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of salt, which I've got a fine ground Mediterranean salt, and I'm going to use an 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. If you do not have white pepper, which I've got right here, ground white pepper, you can use black, okay? All right, so go ahead and set your pressure cooker to saute and then set it for 6 minutes and hit start. That's it. Just give it a stir, and you're going to saute it mostly for that full time you probably will need, but basically you're going to saute it till your onions become clear, and then you're ready to add your other ingredients. All right, well, let's let it cook. All right, so timer just went off. You can see here vegetables look good. Got that nice, more translucent look to them. Now, they will cook all the way through when your stock is added to it as well. Let's go ahead and add our stock. Give that a little bit of a mix. Okay, we're ready for our rice. All right, rice is in. And that had the salt and the white pepper included in that dish. Mix that in really well. Go ahead and cover it up. Shut your valve. And set it on pressure to 4 minutes and action. All right, timer just went off for my rice. Slowly release your cover and lift the lid. Let's go ahead and give it a mix. Ooh, it smells really good. I'll tell you that right now. I would say the only thing, it'd be nice to see it just a little bit more yellow from that saffron, but I think it's just the quality of that saffron. That stuff is from Costco, so it's probably not the best quality, because generally saffron is expensive, right? So let's go ahead and I'll take a spoon here and give it a try. See what it tastes like. It's good. It's really good. Really good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my cover and I'm going to unplug my machine and I'm just going to let it sit and rest until we're ready to serve it. And there you have it. Well, I'll show you what everything looks like when I dish it up, but I hope you like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed up to this point. Subscriptions just let you know when I drop a video out there. They're no cost to you. Also hit that like button if you did like the video. Give me any comments, or if you have any questions about the recipes, just put those in the comments and I will return your messages as soon as I see them. You guys have a fantastic day. Chef Leroy, and out.